Hey guys, I'm just filming this video very quickly. I don't know how successful it would be because I don't have anything to put the camera on, but I just want to unbox with you my purchase from Fossil, and this is the box that it came with. Pretty cool. Let me just put the box like this a bit so it doesn't fall over. Oh, nice. It came with this paper wrapping on the side. And this is the first time I've purchased from fossil.com, the Canadian site. Wasn't sure what to expect, but here's a card that it comes in. I think this is just a receipt. And I purchased two items. One is a wallet and one is a bag. So I've got sucked into the sale again because it's saved 40% on top of the sale. So just to show you briefly, this is the wallet. I can't unbox it right now, but we'll try. It's the Gwen mini wallet, and it just reminded me so much of the Rosalie coin purse from Louis Vuitton because of the shape. It came nicely wrapped, and I think the color is Dusty Rose. It's got that brass button with Fossil. It's like a rose ballerine almost. Let's see the inside. Tissue paper. It's got two buttons there, so you can choose whichever one you want. And it's got this coin purse part, so it's got a bit of depth to it, and two card slots, and a place for bills. So it's a really compact wallet, and it's all leather. There's no canvas part to this wallet. I think there's a credit card slot there. Yeah, there's a credit card slot at the back there too. And let's see what the tag says. It says Gwen Mini Wallet Dusty Rose, $48. I didn't get it for that price, obviously. It was way cheaper. So that's the first item. Pretty cute, pretty compact. I like it. And let's just set this aside. And my camera's about to die, so hopefully it will cut. So this is the second one. And this is the Amelia Hobo in black. So that's the tag net right there. Obviously not $238 because they were having a very good sale. I don't think this has a dust bag at all. Let's just open it and hope for the best. Hopefully the camera doesn't die before I finish recording this. Hard to do things with one hand. Okay, so this is the bag. It's just a normal hobo with one magnetic slot outside that you can put your phone in. And it's got brass hardware. It's got two straps. I won't unpack with you all of this right now because it's really hard. Oops, sorry. Yeah, but this is the there you go, one hand. Great. Came nicely packed. Factory packaging, perfect. The inside is just canvas lining. And let's try to take the stuffing out. See how successful we are with this. It's a good size. It's actually not too big. The Roots Hobo purse that I got was like really ginormous, and at that time I was really wanting like a pretty big bag, but then I realized because it's made of suede or nubuck or that type of material, it wouldn't really do well in the rain, and it rains a lot in my area. So there you go. That's the inside. It just got the silica packs, and the tag is right here. Fossil. It's got the zip pocket, the back there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a zipper pull right there. I mean, I don't go for black interior bags most of the time, but for the price of this, I was like, yes, for a full leather purse. And the leather feels quite nice. It's nice and pebbled. It says it's a made for outlet bag, so I don't really know what to expect because I've never had a Fossil purse before. So this is the first one that I have, and so far so good. I will probably do like a proper first impressions and what fits and all that stuff next time, just not now because I just had a baby. So yeah, it's hard to even keep up with the sleep schedule. So anyway, hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions about the Amelia Hobo or just interested in it, leave a comment down below. And if you'd like to see more unboxings and all about handbags, you can consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.